Beg, live, no? Fuck it up.
DX. 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 Yo.
Yo, double R, double R, double R.
Turn up the mic. Vibes today, you know what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna need that to Jesus Christ, give me ready! Yo, we make them song here especially for the ladies though. We ready for the fucker? Jesus Christ. What this and this? Do me this. It's how we fuck on it. Light me up! She a princess, say she bad, she just a artist. Say the fuck to go, you can't beat her. I feel like she did the naughty. Look like a leader, no. Look at my body! It's too early for the foolishness, you know. You're not quarantine, you know. Never album the event, but just want to chat to tune and fight. But can't do that. But some of Miss Ladies, let me see my. Not here, no. Look Lord, I know. Look Lord, I know. Yeah, because you did tell me say it's a back of man. Then you want to me say you're back of man. Oh, yeah. I try to be. But I'm proud of you. Yeah. Everybody knows it's your part. If you don't really miss me, tell me now. Ladies, if you don't really miss me, say I miss you. Yo, we forward today with a different energy. I say me I come all on vibes because so long now I see the real authentic fans there. But can go back in some song we need sing long time, see if you don't want to vibes with me. I won't really remember me. I won't really remember me. Sing it hard to me. I can't sing the phone. I know my arm won't believe it. I know my city. No, Brooklyn, sing Lord. If you do tell them want you to be me too. I guess I'm pull out. Boy, no, I'm put me now. I can sing some more song now. Yeah, more song now. Give me another one. Give me another one. I know some I don't have much time, but I'm gonna try to spit out some tune that I know the must know. Never even cross my mind as a girl is value with my appetite on you. Right now, what I pay for you I cry about. The line the too deep can't climb out. Now sir, me a sing, what on? Me a sing and me not hear and I sing. Play the next one. Me not hear and I sing a while ago. Play the next one. Why do not move? Brooklyn sing. I remember that style I said, one youth! Jesus Christ, best player! But you know my style, no, sing to the ladies then. And make sure say the girls them alright. No! Sing it out with me now. Just feel enough people can make me live in this sleep she said me I got just pull up. We don't have enough time to go through them. So we just spit them out, don't it? What do you mean? So you feel like banana more? What come like you don't remember me? What don't remember me? Remember, see, I'm listening to the ladies. Sing, listen to it. Give me my friend, sing it out. Miss you, you give that pussy the in my feet and ya. Only girl say the shit to them and just a fan of ya. Me look up the definition of the baddest and ya. Every girl say the sing it out. Pussy so good me wish me up the great team and ya. Boy can't style your body man but with one of them. Me a fuck your but me should have fuck the long ago. Just say I love my body. I missed you. I miss you. Don't stop it. Pick the one you play out. Imagine your head coming. Pull up. I feel like you don't miss me now. Yeah, I feel like someone do you want me. I feel welcome. You see it? Or as a Jamaican, them would have said I feel well forward. Don't know the thing before the wiring. Don't it? One for the continue them all through the app. There's some song I want to sing out, you know. But I don't know how much I want to really know me. Yo, me cool up fans, yeah, man. Friends for real, Cause some of them are liars. No, know me, Brooklyn. Remember me, you know, put the see you need a Brooklyn. Just turn up in there now. Just turn it up, don't it? Alright, make all the vibes now. The man them will have a girl fuck on him in a life already. Say, see me here. It's natural for your girl to have a girl fuck on him. No! Remember me, will you put me see you need a Brooklyn. I know your eye to your fuck with anything in the home. But just wait till me up here to see you down. The boy goes to your house with sing that part I know. Me nah sing I know you mean to do my say but I'm gonna stick to one so for too long. Tell your top pussy clap tell us say you're born like say you're can't run. Since you have been strong pull a Chinese Jordan. Pull up. I don't think yeah. I don't even know if you're quarantined, but I just love you. I hope I don't want jazz that in and with our mask.
Even worse. Even worse.
Remember how many cents of ice for come for all living in that? You know I'm gonna say no. Sing out that song you with me. So you can just pull up. You have a song for the rhythm of my life tomorrow and sing that to them. We can't sing that to them now. Don't forget my intro though. Ready now? Hey, you see a boy like me? A boy like me? Me not mad. No, me not mad. Brooklyn, she can just run. We not can't give a dog what I want to. Pull up. Sorry for killing the vibes, but I really like cut it, so. We don't know we don't have no whole heap of time, so we just have to shut out some tune for you. Don't it. Every man come again. One time for the real remember me. Cause if you smile, looking so fucking should have been. With spine of your ears when it's on. Baby, please get on. Sexy she's a teaser. Whenever we wake you up for no reason, baby scream me. You must think you really kiss me dreaming. Baby. But it's so beautiful and it sounds like a choir. She said up about the sympathy. The sympathy that makes you sing like going to sing. Get my team, be a bring my skin on a penalty. She explode one more. Sweat up poor boy up into skin. She pull up. I don't want to get in that zone. I want to take my time with it. Who know me knows that me love the fucker, don't it? Everyone never lied to you. One, fuck you. When I pussy, cause when you see us, it fuck you mean you don't agree. Couple of my friends, say your pussy up, you good, cause I know me don't leave. Sexiness of your team, Brooklyn sing. Stop screeching, stop screaming out. I show my top fruit, but now I love you. No, we're not gonna wait. But the members need up some song now, don't it? Do that. Oh, baby, I'm sweet, you're not the one you want. Really need to love the key, you won't be wrong. You just couldn't take it from me. The $1,000,000 question is, what the fuck you doing? You don't see I'm going to. Baby, it's in my mind, this is a problem. It's in my mind. Because it does show up, bring it to your now. Bring it to your now. Don't make your voices still feel like you never fucked before. I said you rough. Ease. Ease. And I enjoy myself say, woo. So I love the fuck you like this. Yo, I know one day I know there's so much talent there with me. I use up the whole of the time. Because guess what me know? I know so I'm not going to impress with a voice I'm going to make on a ear right now. It is a voice of an angel and not a angel. Sorry. No disrespect. So I just want to sit back and hear the voice here for 1 second. Please, drop my track.
Just hold me like a easy. Let me speak in a tongue like a gypsy. What I'm white can't fucking know don't deeply. Cocky at the right. Bitch, you never buck up the feet, you're so risky. Any position you want to twist me, you not be convince me. So what? Hold me like a conversation, hold me like a conversation. Need you call it this. The focus not the best vacation, keep the common destination. Entertain the nose and neighbors, all they gonna hear.
Our voice was enough
from Brooklyn, but some like gonna know that big good direct lit. Who never get some good fuck, who never talk about it. Drop the track at them from the place. No, 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 no. Hey, 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 check it. Oh, girl, girl, girl. vacation, did you call it? Say what?
Your fuck is the best vacation. Keep my cool and destination. To take the
Oh, they gonna hear it. Hearing your voices.
Sit up and me go. Me know you love it when me step you. No punishment with pleasure, you're the best of me. It's me son, me shoot me chance and turn you go the fuck ya. In any chance, I'm in it again, right?
Listen,
Boy.
What do you know them little something there? What do you know them something there? Alright. Thanks to baby. Woman like a conversation. Did you call it desperation?
Need you.
You're fucking like a pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it. More here, no sing it with me. Woman like a conversation. Did you call it desperation? Say what? You're fucking dead. Entertaining losing neighbor. Are they gonna give it? Say what? Oh, baby, baby. Thanks to find me. So good. So good, baby. Tell me.
Tell my friend them someone could have managed your way.
I want them to say they never know. Hold on, I can't see if I look at this. Hold on.
You already?
When the bad girl from Brooklyn must have black friend, please. Come in, you send up your some class up in your place. Must have black. It's not this mind. You walk on link with the link with the bus of your in life. Say what? This the link, then the link of linky when we know how to beat her. Say what? So pretty fat pussy girl, you don't never think say me back. Hey, no long talking. Hey, sexy. For me we say not bad girl, for you think of pussy your bed. You just get with tongue ringing our mouth, you think I do a bucket. Cause on the wrong set of girl, you got this boy. When me here to revenge me on this boy. When you know about this, say what? Hey, sexy madness. Alright, hey. And me will wine on your cocky and mouth off your throat. Wine on your cocky now. Wine on your cocky and mouth off your throat. Say what? Wine on your cocky and mouth off your throat. Hold on then, man. I want the song for the ladies then, though. Never. Ladies, no matter what we do for the man, them it's never enough, dog. Them still got treat and is with her ugly girl. It's with her what? I want to share a little story we're going with me and my man. I can share to do now? Alright, drop it for me right now, please. I want to let me. Hold on. Since time they